Airworthiness, what's that? Airworthiness is an aircraft's fitness to fly in complete safety. To be in good technical health, the aircraft needs to be well designed, well built and well maintained. Airworthiness contributes to air safety the same as air operations, which describe the ways that the aircraft can be used in flight, training of the aircrew, air traffic control and the running of airports. An aircraft's airworthiness is at the center of aviation professionals' preoccupation, from its design until its retirement from service. Everything starts with initial airworthiness. When creating an aircraft project, the designer must respect safety criteria for normal and exceptional operating conditions. Manufacturers wishing to produce these aircraft must also respect manufacturing data. So, that's it. The aircraft, with all the documents necessary for its maintenance and operation, is delivered to the operator, an airline for example. It needs to stay airworthy for all its operational life. This is continuing airworthiness. For that, it draws on two sets of skills. Firstly, those of the continuing airworthiness management staff who adjust the aircraft's maintenance program according to its use and set in motion maintenance activities. And secondly, the skills of the mechanics who carry out work on the aircraft inside their maintenance organization and authorize its release to service afterwards. The aircraft's designer also follows it throughout its operational life, taking into consideration all that happens to it, whether on the ground or in the air. The analysis of these events enables the designer to update the documentation for this type of aircraft, so that it can be modified for its operation and maintenance to be optimized and above all to avoid an accident from occurring. This is continued airworthiness. Airworthiness follows a global set of standards that each state translates into roles to be respected. In the European Union, it's EASA, the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, that writes the regulations on behalf of the member states. In France, OSAC is the authority that the Transport Ministry has authorized to check adherence to the regulation. This is the control of airworthiness. OSAC inspectors check that the manufacturers, continuing airworthiness management organizations, maintenance organizations and their mechanics, as well as the training organizations for mechanics, all work in compliance with European aeronautical regulation. This compliance is certified by approvals for organizations, a license for mechanics and certificates for equipment and aircraft. To sum up, airworthiness is an aircraft's fitness to fly safely, and it is one of the pillars of air safety. Airworthiness is everyone's business within organizations and authorities with complementary roles and responsibilities who oversee the technical health of the aircraft. The certificates, approvals and aircraft mechanics licenses issued by OSAC testify to the respect of aeronautical regulation.